Kevin and Doggy are sleeping. Yeah, on his bed. Oh wow, both of them. Choco, where is your eye? Two best friends. Shh, Kevin is sleeping and Choco is sleeping too. Wow. They are both sleeping, taking nappy. Yeah. I'm changing sheets, so it's a little mess here. Aww. You are not jumping on the bed. No. Now Kevin is sleeping now. Look at that. Yeah. Choco, who's sleeping on your bed? You are not jumping here. I'm changing sheets. No, Choco. Choco, get down. Get down.
Wait.
Choco, get down from my bed. Here is Kevin. Sleeping on Choco's bed. Nice try. Choco. Really? What's happening? He's like, that's my bed.
Choco.
Aww.
Bleh.